Hi and welcome to another video. I'll be showing you how we made this beautiful website. We designed and developed it ourselves in Webflow. I'll be explaining to you how we did it, what was the client's criteria. Client wanted to sell some things online. I'll show you like these pack of chips you can say, and with different flavors they wanted to sell it, and they wanted a website, right? So they contacted us and they told us that they have a certain budget. I'll be telling you the budget as well at the end of the website. We designed this website and the client agreed to it, and we developed it later on. So basically this is the website. I will reload the page now. So after reloading, you can see the small animation here. If I scroll down, you can see our products here section. If I scroll down, if I move my cursor here, you can see how beautiful it looks like. Different puffs here. If I scroll down, you can see like slider type of thing moving on. If I scroll further down, you can see different. You can see if I move my cursor and beautiful animation appears on all of these three. If I click on buy now, if I scroll down, you can see another section about us page. Like everything is so perfect about this website, right? Everything looks so amazing in this, and we designed it in Figma and we developed it in Webflow. The website costed around $4,500 to the client, and we delivered it on time. So if I click here, basically for any of the popcorns, you can see that it has a different section. You can add different, for example, if you click here, you can change it. You can even check different images here like this, and if I scroll down, you can basically just purchase it from there, right? Now if I show you one more thing, is the about page and the contact us page. So this is the about page, and it tells about about the things. This is the co-creator of this, like these chips. If I go to the last page, which is the contact page, if I click here, you can contact them as well on here. So basically this is the entire website which we made, and it is super animated. If you have already checked it, right, it's super animated and it looks so amazing. So if you want us to make any of your website related to such beautiful designs, the client costed it around $4,500. You want us to make convert your dream into reality, you can contact us on our WhatsApp, and we will love to work on your project. One thing I like to mention is that we only work on advance payment. So if you can do that, we will love to work with you, because we have a lot of projects in queue and we cannot work like after payment kind of thing. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video with such more amazing projects which we have made in the past with me and my team. Thank you.